guys, I'm not going to be showing my face today, and it's my first YouTube channel, so, my first YouTube video. We're going to be playing Mario Kart. Subscribe, damn it, subscribe below. So, yeah. So, next time, tell me which game you want to play. You want me to play. Tell me if that looks good. Two up, that will happen. Okay, so I guess we cannot play on my Wii. On the Wii. It froze. So, yeah. Let me just go turn it off. So I turned it off. And we're going, we need some light. Turn it on. Look at it. Right here. This is my spot. So, these are my dogs. So just subscribe down below. Don't actually have that much to say. Tell me if you like my new shoes. Bye.